Alright, so we're going to continue on here with part 2. I've put the other foot on the base of the voltage regulator. Today I'm going to break down and buy a SD card that has more storage space. I'm not a big technology guy. I like this old stuff. And a good buddy of mine about 10 years ago gave me a camera that had a 2 GB SD card in it, and that was good enough because all I was doing was taking photos. The camera didn't have a video capability, so I've just been using the same SD card. Now that's tight. I'm wondering if that's just the paint. Looks clear. I'll try this other one. Yeah, it's just as tight, but I don't like it. Interesting. Well, it only had one in there, and I had two. The short one was in the right hand side. It's just for a ground wire. Or better known as a bonding strap, so that you can bond there. That's better. The body of the voltage regulator to the cab. I have a few more of these that are shorter. I'll put one in. So the gasket goes on, and then get the cover. Cover on. I want to be careful. I don't want to scratch the paint. It did come out quite nicely. Yeah, that's working. So the ears here on the cover have threads in them. They're threaded so that when I do take the cover off, the screws don't grow legs and go away when I set the cover down. Most irritating out in the field if you have to diagnose an electrical issue. So with everything else that's doesn't really need a torque specification, We go just a little bit more than finger tight. And the rubber gasket will keep water, moisture, and dirt out of the inner workings. Alrighty, that's all back together. I think it looks pretty nice. I have some other nuts and washers that hold the filters here. I'll talk about those for a minute now. Now these filters, I do not know what's inside of them. I don't know if these ones work. I'm sure they do because they are a sealed unit, soldered, sealed. I just need to build new wires, and I can use the same World War II connections because they're soldered, crimped and soldered, and all I got to do is heat them up and unsolder them. I think they just, I'm not really educated on these things, and I think that they just help keep the voltage clean. A lot of people think that 6 volts in an automotive system isn't very strong. You know, Volkswagen relied on 6 volts. Chevy and GM relied on 6 volts. But 6 volts does pack a wallop. You know, if you get shocked at the right place in the system, it'll clear your head. So I did notice something here. This phenolic circuit board is gone here, and this one has 2 mounting holes, and I'll have to build something that will take its place using the original mounting places, which won't be hard. I can get the PC board online pretty cheaply. So that'll do it for this video. Thanks for tuning in. I've been a little busy this past week. I was cleaning the spars for my seat, parts for my rear view mirrors, and here's the mirror arm over here. And what video wouldn't be complete with a shot of that? So, want to say thanks to my subscribers for subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching my video. Hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving, and till next time, see ya.